Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install XManager on any device. So note that this doesn't work on Apple devices, it just works on all Android devices. So first of all you have to do is search for GitHub. So basically I'm showing you on how to install this using a browser. So just use the browser of your Android device. So open github.com. And then once you're here, search for XManager, press enter, and then on the first search result, you will see team-xmanager/xmanager. So click on that link, and then once you're here, on the releases tab, you will see XManager v5.9. Now here you can download the APK by clicking the assets link. So click on that APK and then install it on your device. If you cannot install it in your device, maybe there are security reasons. So make sure to turn that off.